The oceans have always played this key role in regulating the Earth's climate. You know, over 30% of man-made carbon emissions are sequestered in the ocean, and something like 90% of the heat. Every other breath you breathe comes from ocean plant life. It is the lungs of the planet. Beautiful thing is, as a fisherman, what I used to do is I'd fish and then I'd be on land off season. And then now as a farmer, I'm able to work year round. On my farm in the Thimble Islands, I grow 5 different crops. I grow kelp, and then 4 kinds of shellfish, oysters, clams, mussels, and scallops in 20-acre areas. The whole idea is just to have all these different crops, a sea basket approach. There's something I'm harvesting year round, so if one fails, I still have another one. Shellfish are wonderful because an oyster filters 50 gallons of water a day, taking nitrogen out of the water column. Mussels are these lean proteins. They've got a lower carbon footprint than lentils. And then clams are delicious. To Greenwave, one of the questions we get is, how do you own your plot of water? And we lease from the town or the state. And what's important is that we don't own that ocean. The ocean are the commons, and we want to keep them that way. We don't want to privatize our waters. We want to protect the oceans. Nobody can grow shellfish and seaweed on my little plot of 20 acres, but they can come boat, swim, fish, and in fact, the best fishing in the whole area is on my farm because there's just all this productivity.
Walk right through there.
Greenwave's goal is to train 10,000 ocean farmers in the next 10 years. When we look at the oceans, we kind of see this blank slate and this incredible opportunity to do food right, to do agriculture right, and to make sure beginning farmers and folks that have been traditionally excluded from the industrial economy are first in line. You can make up to $100,000 a year. So this is a good job. And this is so important because we need to rebuild the middle class so regular folks like me can start their own businesses and be part of climate solutions, but not have a boss and not work for Google or Amazon. That's what's so exciting. We can actually figure out a way to make a living on a living planet out in the ocean. I don't think of myself as an environmentalist or as a foodie. You know, I eat at the gas station most nights. I still love McDonald's, but I belong in this big tent. The beautiful thing about the climate movement, I don't have to care about birds and bees, and I don't have to eat kale. I can just be myself, but also find a place where I really belong.